Well, I came out to the range to get some pistol practice, and I wanted to do some high-speed stuff with my new camera, Casio EX-F1. I'm going to try some slow motion stuff right here in the light. So we'll see how that works out. Right now the lighting is crappy, but the shooting is fun, so can't complain about that. I've got my Boberg XR9S 9mm and my Glock 19. As usual, the Glock ate everything that I put through it. The point is, I mean, I love this little pistol, and I didn't have any malfunctions today regarding the pistol. It was all ammunition, and that was my fault. But I have to say again, anybody that doubts a Glock is really just someone that's inexperienced. And I know I'm going to catch some flack with that, but inexperienced with Glocks to know how reliable they are. I mean, all the ammo that I ran through it, it just eats it up. It's like an AK. So anyway, guys, I'm out here at the range by myself. It's so much fun. I feel like I own the place, and I do right now. But thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.